What is it?
Camera. Nice camera.
Nice camera. Thank you. Let's go.
Yes.
Yummy?
Yes.
Thumbs up. Are you going to bring the baby?
What? Baby was dirty.
Dirty baby. Oh, you're dirty here. Uh-oh.
Sorry.
Uh-oh.
Let's go. Are you ready for another walk, Lira?
Yes.
Yay! Where are we going this time? Huh? You want to see the
baby.
daffodils? Baby?
What you? One.
Let's go na.
What?
Let's go. Pa!
Kailangan mo naman barili yung bat niya, baby.
Sabi niya?
Hindi naman barili yung baby niya.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, messy. Pag.
Who's ready?
Ready.
Go.
Oh! Ay.
Yeah,
Stomp your feet. Mahaba ba to? Mahaba lakaran?
Yeah.
Ha?
Yeah.
Ayan.
Lira, where are we going now? Where are we going? Where are we going? Uy! Dead ma. Dead ma. Lira,
No there.
where are we going? Not there. Why? Are you scared?
Okay.
No.
Come na, this way. Let's go. Go follow mommy. Let's go.
No.
Sige na, tara na.
No, mommy.
This is what we do kapag nakabakante kami. Family time. Ngayon maganda yung, it's a glorious day. Maganda yung panahon. Kaya we're taking advantage of it. Yeah. Tsaka springtime is almost coming na rin. So, we're going for a walk. And then meron kaming dalang merienda. Kasama ni Mrs.
Hold your baby, ha? Don't drop your baby.
Come na. Sige na. Gonna hold daddy. You okay? Got your stuff?
Come on. You can do it.
Yay!
Hey!
Well done. Oh, marami pa yun.
You're tired.
Pagod ka na? Baby, pagod ka na?
Tired na? Can I see your face? Oh!
Let's go! Yay! Yan na, may merienda pagka dating mo sa dulo. Yun yung reward mo. Let's go! Let's go!
Yeah, that's private.
Anong dala mo, Beb? Anong merienda dala natin today?
Pandekoko po.
Ha?
Pandekoko po.
Ano daw po?
Lira!
Lira!
Lira not there. Pagod ka na, no?
Are you tired na? Are you tired? Come na. Okay, careful now. So this is what we're going for. A warning sign for people. Let's go. Idea. Idea. Oh, that's your idea? Do you want to close the gate so that Daddy can come in? Oh no. I don't think that's a very good idea, Lira.
Bye.
You say bye-bye?
Okay.
Okay. Can Daddy go through as well?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Let's go. Wow. Let's go. Let's go through.
No. That's
Come here now. Mommy's over there, oh. Huh? Yeah. Pagka meron ng mga cherry blossoms. Let's go.
Idea.
Idea? No, don't close the gate. How are we supposed to go through then? Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Go get mommy. Where's mommy now?
Idea.
Idea, yes. It's your idea.
Bye.
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 Let's go. Oh, mommy's calling. Mommy's calling. Hurry. Oh, who's calling? Let's go now. Let's go now.
No.
Let's go now. Are you gonna stay there? We're going. I'm gonna get mommy. Are you staying there?
Idea.
Idea. Let's go. Look, oh, mommy's over there now.
Spider, there's a spider.
Oh, there's a spider. Come here. Quick. Where's mommy? Where's mommy?
Mosquitoes. Oh wow, beautiful flowers. Oh, you go to the flowers daw. Oh, you go to the flowers.
Ito yung
There's a lot
pinunta
of
namin
mosquitoes.
dito
You see the mosquitoes?
para makita yung mga daffodils. Look at this.
Look, oh, there's a lot of mosquitoes
Look at this.
flying.
But, Mira, say hi.
Hi, Potato.
Say hi to the mosquitoes. Who's that? Who's that? Is that Lyra? Whoa! Uh-oh, don't touch the camera.
Whoa. Amazing.
Amazing. Did you say amazing? Go this way.
Teka, Lila. Hingal na, mami.
Ako na. Come, move there. Give Daddy some space, please. Thank you. The merienda. Ayun, this.
Oh, nice.
No. Look. You have here, oh, pancake.
Sit properly with Daddy.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, taco.
Gusto niya yun eh. Gusto mo rin niya, Mami?
Yummy.
Mommy's doing the same thing as what you did.
Look at mommy.
do it.
Look at mommy, oh. Look at mommy. Ah.
Your turn. Lyra's turn. Again.
Look at mommy.
How about Lyra? Uh-oh, you're wasting it.
Enough na. Ay.
More.
And then you splash on your
Nah.
Down.
down na.
You
Yeah,
wanna go
we're going
down na?
down na.